friends, welcome back to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you for stopping by. It has been a month of Sundays since I've done a recipe share, and I found one a few weeks ago that I wanted to wait closer to fall because today I'm going to show you a fall flavored one. But this recipe is a great little dessert to take somewhere, to have for a shower, just a good little sweet finger food. The recipe itself is versatile in more ways than one. It just depends on your level in the kitchen. You can go buy the 2 ingredients off the shelf and make it. You can make it semi-homemade, or you can make both ingredients from scratch, and that's probably the ultimate way to make it. Today I thought I would make it semi-homemade, so I'm going to go in the kitchen and show you how to make these mini dessert cookie cups. Alright, this recipe starts off with a sugar cookie. You can buy one of these package mixes. This one comes from the Dollar Tree. You add a half a stick of butter and a tablespoon of water, stir it up, and you've got enough dough for 12 cookies. Or you just use your favorite sugar cookie recipe to create your cookie dough. Alright, I've got my mini muffin pan and I sprayed it just for good measure. I mixed up my cookie dough and I've got my tablespoon scoop. I scoop out a ball and roll it in cinnamon sugar and then put it in the muffin pan. Like I said, this package makes 12. It's great for a small batch. So I'm basically turning this regular sugar cookie into a snickerdoodle. Alright, once you get all 12 of your cookies in the muffin tin, take your tablespoon measuring spoon and just push down, and it's going to create a little bowl out of your cookie dough. Now you're going to put a tablespoon of apple pie filling in each of your little bowls. Alright, today I'm just making a half a recipe, but I'll have the full recipe down in the description box. But here's how to make a simple fruit pie filling. You can use apples, pears, strawberries, blueberries, any kind of berry you got. So here's apple, sugar, lemon juice, cornstarch, and water. I'm going to put those 5 ingredients in the skillet, and I've got it all stirred up. Now the cornstarch is what is going to thicken this sugar water, and because my apples are diced up so small, by the time it thickens up, these apples will be cooked. Don't let it burn because it is sugar and sugar will burn, but just slowly stir this until it thickens up. Within a couple minutes of it being on medium high, it gets thick quick, and all we're doing now is cooking the apples, but we're constantly stirring it because we don't want the sugar to burn. You know, spread it out and then stir it back up. You're just wanting the heat to hit those apples. And if it gets too thick on you because of the cornstarch, add some more water. So you just stir this little mix for up to about 10 minutes. You're going to put in some vanilla and stir it up, and that will finish your pie filling. Now don't forget the recipe's down below for the full amount of ingredients, but this is my small batch. And then once you get your apple pie filling in the little bowls, take your leftover cinnamon sugar and just sprinkle over your apple filling. And then just bake the cookies according to your package or whatever your recipe says. My package directions said 10 to 12 minutes. I just pulled them out. I'm going to let them cool and firm up a little bit before I try to take them out of the muffin tin. My camera died, so let me finish this on my phone. I got all my little desserts out of the muffin tin, and just look at this cute little mini dessert apple pie. I just love this recipe because there's so much versatility in it, whether you're a beginner cook using packaged cookie mix and a can of apple pie filling, or everything from scratch, whichever fits your ability, and all the fun flavors that you can make. Sugar cookie with strawberry or peach pie filling. You could do a lemon cookie with blueberry pie filling. You could even do a pumpkin cookie with apple pie filling. That would be another great fall flavor. So I hope you enjoyed this little dessert and you get an opportunity to make it in the upcoming season, and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back next week with something fun to share. Bye-bye.
My mind is buzzing.